In this video, we're going to show you how you can download and install Google Chrome on your laptop or your PC. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials just like this. Personally, I love using Google Chrome because it lets me sync my browsing history, bookmarks, and settings across all my devices, and it's super convenient, especially with me being a full-time college student and YouTuber. Let's jump into this. First, go to the bottom of your screen and find the search bar, open it up, and from here you want to go ahead and find any web browser that you already have installed. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and use Microsoft Edge, just like so. Up at the top, you want to go ahead and type in Google Chrome and then press enter, and then once you get to this page, scroll down until you find the official Google Chrome website and click on it. From here, you'll have the option to download Chrome. Simply go ahead and click on that, and it's going to pop up with a download up here. Open this up just like so. It's going to pop up with a Google installer section and hit yes. From here, it's going to download Google Chrome for you, which shouldn't take that long. Once it's done, Google Chrome is going to open automatically, and you'll have the option to sign into your Google account. As you can see, I'm signed into my Google account already, but you'd want to go ahead and continue on through this process by either signing in or just going on it through guest mode. But that's it. You now have Google Chrome installed and ready to go. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you so much for watching.